Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Revel Nail. And here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Proof, and next is in the shade Infinite. And for the liquids, I will be using my Future Nails base as well as the activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying my nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. Next, I move on to my base and I apply a thin layer of this on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So I didn't realize that my camera turned off, so here is the first layer of the truth. So I apply it on my pointy, pinky, and thumb, and now we are moving on to the second coat. So I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. So once I'm finished with the third coat of Truth, I move on to the next shade, which is the Infinite. So I will be applying this on my middle and ring nail, and again I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. And I just want to mention that this shade is so pretty and it's very easy to work with, so I really like this shade. So once I'm finished with the shade Infinite, I move on to my clear powder. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you clear encapsulate your nails. This will protect the colors and the glitters from piling and buffing. So then once I'm finished with clear, I brush off all the excess powder and then I move on to the activator and I apply a generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will just harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera and then I brush off all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat and I apply 2 coats of this on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. And of course, this step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.